Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We all know how to make traditional basil pesto, but did you realize that there are many different ways to make it? On the site, there's 8 pesto recipes, and among them, there's a Spanish one called picada. To make you discover its amazing flavor, here's a lovely recipe. Spanish Picada Fish Fillets. With a gorgeous combination of ingredients along with this Catalan pesto, this is an incredible fish recipe to make in less than 20 minutes. So let's get cooking.
Here we have some red snapper fillets, but any other white fish can be used, such as cod, halibut, tilapia, and so on. And then we'll pat them dry using paper towels. We'll now generously season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Alright, so let's move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add butter. And when it starts sizzling, we'll place the fillets, season side down, and then season the top with salt and pepper. We'll grill them for about 2 to 2.5 minutes per side. When they're done, we'll pour in some freshly squeezed lemon juice and add lemon zest. We'll move the fillets around and then remove from the heat. Now, let's make the sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add the Spanish pesto, which is called picada. To get this one or any other pesto recipes, click on the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll add heavy cream and stir until these 2 ingredients are nicely blended. We'll bring the sauce to a gentle simmer or until just warm enough. Don't overheat it, otherwise it will separate. We'll remove from the heat and spoon the sauce over the fish fillets. We'll add diced pimento, which gives a nice color to the dish. Sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley, it's good for us, and serve immediately with rice and a couple lemon wedges. And my friends, these are our Spanish Picada Fish Fillets. Extremely quick to make, this is a delicious way to enjoy this flavorful pesto. Enhance your fish with this lovely recipe. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!